Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel NDS Guru. In this lecture you will learn how to count number of squares. There are basically two types of squares in this lecture. Such types of squares in which number of rows and columns are equal. In this case 2 by 2, in this case 1 2 3 4 rows and 1 2 3 4 columns. And the second type in which number of rows and columns are different. There are 6 columns and 4 rows. In the first case, when number of rows and columns are equal, just write number of squares in base 1 and 2. There are 2 squares in base. Just write their number and find their square. 1 square and 2 square. 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4, and add them. 5 will be answer. So there are 5 squares in this diagram. Traditionally if we count 1 2 3 4 and the larger one, there are 5 squares. In the second diagram there are 4 rows and 4 columns, so writing number of squares in the base 1 2 3 4. There are 4 squares in base. Find their square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So add them up. 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 plus 4 is 29, 29 plus 1 is, so there are 30 square in this diagram. In the second case, when there are number of rows and columns are different, how many rows are there, how many squares are there in the base? 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 squares in the base, and 1 2 3 4 and the 4 squares in the vertical row or in the row. So in this case, write number of columns, or in other words, write number of squares in the base 6 and number of squares in the vertical side. There are 4 squares, so multiply them. 6 into 4 is 24. So next step is start decreasing the number of squares in the rows and column till you get 0. 6 decrease by 1, so it becomes 5. 4 becomes 3. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 becomes 4 and 3 becomes 2. 4 to the 8. 4 becomes 3 and 2 becomes 1 3. In the next step, if we decrease 3, it will become 2, but 1 becomes 0, so answer will be 0. So this is the last step. We will add all of them. 24 plus 15 plus 8 plus 3, result is 50. So there are 50 squares in this diagram. This is the shortcut method to find number of squares if there are rows and columns are equal, and if there are rows and columns are different. If we do manually, this will be very difficult for us to find number of squares. So these are the short tricks to find number of squares. Like my video and share my video and subscribe my channel.